Whoa, it's been a while, my dear friends. How's life? How is... Oh god, it's been a while. Oh my god. I have been meaning to shoot this video for like 3 weeks now, but things got in the way and then I was like gonna die or something. Spoiler alert. I didn't the world to just swallow me. Yeah, so basically that was my life. How was yours? So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shahad. Thank you guys so much for watching me again, and today is a new video. Of course, right? Yesterday on the 22nd of November was my hubby's birthday. Yay! Happy birthday. So I thought today we will talk about funny stuff, I guess, about how we got married. Today I'm gonna be doing this look right here, inspired by the lovely Diana Maria. I loved it so much and I thought I wanna play with purples and pinks today. So we'll be doing that and let's get started. Yeah! First of all, I'm hurt. I'm so heartbroken. You guys have no idea because my Fix Plus spritzer part broken. And that is my daughter screaming. Anyway, my Mac spritzer part, this one where it can spray, it's broken, and my life, I can't live without my Mac Fix Plus. And I have to find a way to get me one. And I don't think they can ship it because there's something containing whatever, or because it's a water, and I have to figure it out. Let's get into it. Let's beat this face. Also, happy Thanksgiving to whoever celebrates it, and to whoever doesn't. It's none of your business, but it's also nice to be thankful for things, right? What was I gonna say? I don't know. And of course, I respect every religion, whatever you want to do with your life. I respect that. I don't have anything against anybody. If you're a human being, I love you. You're nice, I like you. I don't care. I don't care what you are. I don't care what you look like, what do you wear, what do you do in your life. I don't care. You're nice to me, I like you. You're good. You're good to go. Let me prime my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. For foundation, I'm going with the Wet n Wild Photo Fix foundation. I didn't use that for a long time, so I think it's time. It's been calling me. It's in the shade Golden Beige. I guess that's it. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna add a Fix Plus to it, just to give us this voluminous look. We want to be like Jennifer Lopez, Beyonce, never, but you know. And they have like a it's a New Year, I think, so it's kind of like a holiday here. So that is that. The stuff is closed. They're not answering. But I'm calling to check if my orders, if it's arrived or not. They're not answering me, or maybe they're just ignoring me, just like everything in life. Just kidding. So yeah, yesterday was hubby's birthday. We didn't do much. Last year that time we were in Las Vegas. It was so much fun. Last year we stayed in US of the A. Just kidding, USA. Anyway, boop, boop, 2, and then on to your face. Yes. We don't want to look like the Tin Man. So that time last year we were in America and we stayed there for like a month. We had so much fun. We went to California, Miami, New York, and we stayed in every state, city for like a week. And Las Vegas. And then lastly, New York. My favorite city, yes, New York City. New York City, it's me. If I was a person, I would be New York City. Some say it's trash. No, it's not. It's not trash. No, don't say that. That's not correct. I mean, well, no, still, no, it's not trash. I loved it there. Just, I don't know, it's just, I don't know. There's something about New York City that is so nice. And I just feel loved by New York, I guess. No, but I love New York. Of course, the other states is, oh, we went to Washington as well. States and cities were nice, but my favorite would definitely be New York. Just to show you how dramatic I am, when we were leaving on the airplane, I was listening to Frank Sinatra, New York. I was literally about to cry and watching out the window and just, that was so dramatic. But that's me, dramatic as hell. Gonna set my face. Also, the Black Friday sale on ColourPop. Yes, thank you. I ordered a bunch of stuff. I ordered the concealer. A couple of you here actually said that it was good and it was worth it, so I really want a new concealer. This NARS thing, it's no, that's it. That's I'm out of this too. Yeah, I'm out of powder, you guys. Right. Also, I really wanted to do my brows first, but I just couldn't. I can't. I'm that basic girl. I just cannot. I can't. I'm sorry. First, I'm gonna strobe with my oh my god, dabbed it with my nail. Hourglass Ombre powder right here under the eye, just to kick off any excess. What the hell? I look like an Oompa Loompa now. And from ColourPop, I ordered the concealer, a new bronzer, Batman Rock lip bundle, lit. Not going for the blush, one of his blushes, the coral one I guess. What else did I order? What else did I finish my money on? Yeah, that was about it. Still waiting for my Jeffree Star to arrive. My P. Louise base. Have you guys seen Thomas Halpert's latest video? The one with the hookup is my makeup. Oh my God. I laughed so hard yesterday. I can't look at P. Louise base the same again. Not after that. I'm fine with that. He was happy. He looked so happy. I like that. You know, I am that person who just likes to be happy for other people. If I have extra emotions, I don't know, maybe I should sell them or something. Maybe I should sell my emotions on eBay, Amazon for the lowest price. Don't worry about that. It won't be that expensive. I didn't celebrate or did anything special yesterday. Well, he did actually go out with my brother to celebrate boys' night out. And also, we've been married for like 7 years now. I got married when I was 20 years old. Of course, he changed at the course of 7 years. And I think at some point, my change was nice. I mean, 7 years ago, I was not this. I was so dramatic, you guys have no idea. I would literally cry my eyes out if he just walked past a girl. Like, just by that.
I walked by her. He was breathing next to her face.
Which is nothing, it's not a big deal. Like, I was such a baby back then, I don't know. And I hate my old self. But the only thing I wish I learned, the only thing I regret not knowing, maybe know myself better, because I feel like us as women, as we grow up, we understand ourselves more. To me, that's okay. But I was so sad, like, I wasted my time being a little baby about nothing, and it's not worth it. You know what I mean? That was the main thing that bothers me when I look back now. Yeah, I was not planning on getting married actually at 20. To be honest, when I was younger, I always said in my teenage years, I'm gonna do my brows now. Here it is, Benefit Brow Contour Pro. Where was that? Yeah, it's not that you don't know your worth. I don't know how to say this. I guess as we grow up, take care of ourselves more. Like, why did you do that in the beginning? Why would you wait for someone else to do that for you? Do you understand that? Am I making sense? I don't know. There are some certain things that you have to understand yourself, you know, as like nobody could tell you that. And by that time, I guess he was trying to tell me that it was nothing. I shouldn't be taking things that much serious. Oh my God, I'm so sad. You walked past that girl. He wouldn't give it much attention as much as I did. I think that's his way of telling me that you have to calm down, sis. And I got the message maybe late. Anyway, him asking me to get married was a shock to me. We are two families living together. My whole family, we live with my dad's and mother's best friends. They known each other since like first year of school, and they grew up together. Well, they grew up apart, but you know, together as friends and everything. We have been living with them since I can ever remember. We grew up together, me and my now sister-in-laws. They have 2 girls and 3 boys. And we are 1 girl, me, and 3 boys. When we grew up, they would eventually tell us that, yeah, when you grow up, you guys are definitely gonna get married. Like me and my current husband. Back then, as kids, we used to do like everything together. And when you have like your best bud or best friend or whatever. Because my brother, when he was younger, he had his own kind of vibe, I guess. That's how he became an artist, maybe, I don't know. My husband would always like, come, let's play PlayStation or whatever, let's do this, let's do that. And mind you, when I was younger, I was that dumb kid who just followed orders. Like, I did not have like a mind of my own. And that was cute, right? Our parents were like, when we grew up, of course, as teenagers, they told us that we definitely think you guys will get married because, you know, the connection and stuff. We were like, ew, no, he's like my brother. Ugh. You know, we would make that kind of stuff. But then, same school, same stuff, same everything. Until 7 years ago, I was going back home with his sister. We were back in our country at that time. He asked me that, like, I think we should get married. And I was like, what is going on? I thought he was actually pulling a prank on me, and that wasn't nice at all. I was like, I couldn't breathe, and I was in a panic attack. I had a panic attack, and I was like, what is going on? I woke up my mom, and I was like, I told her that this is what he told me, and she was like, oh my God, my dream is happening. And I'm like, and not now, Mom. Focus, please. My mom would always say that she wanted for us to get married. My camera just shut off because why wouldn't it, right? So yeah, my mom was like so happy. She's like, oh my God, this is my dream, and you know, and I'm like, why is this your dream? Can you tell me? Because it's confusing. It's funny because we didn't see each other as like as brother and sister, but we also didn't look at each other as, you know, that's another way to get married. We're just like best friends. I don't know. But then my mom told me, you have to think about it, of course. I'm sorry, but we don't have this kind of rule that, yeah, you have to get married. The first guy who tells you to get married. She told me why I should take my time to think about this one, because she said he knows you so much and he won't hurt you like anybody else. I don't know, but her point of view made sense, and how he would take care of me, and that he knows me so well because we've grown up together. Sometimes you grow up with a person that is like so much your best friend that you actually don't realize that. But like when they're gone or something, if you sit back and you think about them, and then you're like, well, yeah, I think this could be the person. So he asked in a great time, I think. And the next day, we talked about that. We said we don't have to rush things. It's okay to take time to notice things. You know, maybe we change our minds or something. He's not putting so much pressure. Maybe this will feel weird. But it didn't. It didn't feel weird. It didn't feel like, it felt okay. It kind of felt nice. And then I never looked at it the same way again. Because I loved him, of course. And that is it, how we got married. I didn't have a wedding because I don't know. I didn't have a wedding. Even though you are a girl, you always dream like, oh my god, I'm gonna grow up and have this dress. But you know, I don't know. As you grow up, you realize things that there are some things that are much more important, I guess. I'm still thinking of doing that shoot though. I told him that I want to go take pictures in a wedding dress and you in a tuxedo and with my daughter. Still somehow shy. I mean, even when he was little, he was so shy. He was like the most shyest person I ever know. To this day, he is still that little shy boy. Okay, now let's start with the eyes and let me shut up for a second because I'm bored of my voice. So, I'm going with the Modern Renaissance Paris. Oh, I wish I could go to Paris right now. I am so stupid at keeping up with a subject. Like, excuse me, I was talking about my husband and now all of a sudden I'm talking about going to Paris. Yeah, I guess I need help. So mainly we're gonna use these shades right here. I'm gonna close the camera and come back again because I already rambled like for 10 years. See you in a bit. Oh, you do not want to be me right now. I'm so tired. Do I have to do the other eye and just be like, yay? This is the final look for this eye. These lashes are like curtains. They suck. Okay, now let's get together so we can do this eye. I'm gonna do it quick because I was so bored. Have you ever blended so much that you actually got bored? No, me neither. I'm gonna go with the pinkest shade, and I have the I took a little bit of the beauty color of this shade right here just for the upper part, and then we're gonna blend it with the from the Modern Renaissance palette. So I am taking the shade Love Letter. This is so pigmented. I forgot for a second here. I want to point out something. Facetune in Photoshop. Like, am I gonna, you know, comment on your Photoshop skills or your makeup skills? This is hard. It's not nice. Should I do minimal makeup and, you know, play with Photoshop, or should I do an actual look? And I'm also pissed and I'm so angry and I don't know what to do, and I'm also hungry. I'm not really hungry, I'm just so tired. And people who actually blend nicely and just never Photoshop, I love you so much. Thank you. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Cypress Umber and I'm gonna put it right just underneath here. And yes, I'm using my Pink Panther brush. You can use my discount code, 50% off. My code is, are you kidding me? Cut crease time. Shh. That is the most freshest cut crease I have ever done in my life. That's it. This is the end of the video. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye. Oh my god, I ruined it. Why am I the way I am? Why? I'm so not proud of myself at the moment. I'm not proud of myself. Can somebody come slap me? Please? I'd give you money. God, how stupid can I be, man? Maybe I should give up makeup. Maybe I should just cook instead or something. I don't know. Start from scratch. Yep. So, last video I said, if you have any questions, and literally, my comment section was like this. So thanks for that. Concealer. Continue. Be careful not to ruin your eye. Okay, now that's much better. Set it, set it, set it, set it, set it, set. I'm gonna set it so much so it doesn't crease on me. Again, I'm taking the shade Love Letter and I'm just gonna smudge it right where we use the black liner. For that sparkly liner, I'm gonna dip in the shade Divine or Divine, I don't know. Okay, battery died. It should have killed me, the battery. So I did the under eye, and then I'm gonna, in my waterline, I'm gonna use a white liner, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on mascara, and I will be right here. Okay, now lashes. I'm loving this much. This eye, of course, better than this one, because you know what happened here. I mean, life happened here. We're done with the eye. Somebody please reward me. And now blush, pink blush, because this look is all about pink. Highlights using Omrizi, because it's back in stock and it really is one of the best highlighters from Anastasia. That's what I think it is. Yes, Omrizi. Ooh, she's not playing. For lips, I'm using Androgyny. That's my favorite, and because I think it. I think that's the kind of shade she wants in with. Now set the face with my imaginary non-broken. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't just waste your time, because that's what I think I did. Check out Diana and all her looks. She's so beautiful. Love her looks. She's so talented. And I hope I did her justice. I really do hope I did her justice, because I don't know. I really don't know, but I think I like it. I mean, I like the blending situation around here. And also for today's shout out,
it's shout out day. It's shout out time. Shout out.
And the shout out for today goes to Paisley. I'm gonna link all information down below. She is a makeup artist. She loves makeup, and I really like her. She is super nice and super supportive. Please go and show her some love. Tell her I said hi, and tell her to keep up the good work. She has some amazing easy tips, and she makes makeup seem so easy, which is really good and helpful. Go follow her on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to her on her YouTube channel, and also tell her I said hi. I watched her last video and it was really funny. You should do that more often. You should talk to the camera, talk to us. I really had fun and enjoyed that. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this look. And now I'm gonna go eat chocolate and just probably cry on my couch, because what is there else to do? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!